How do I mass upload NFTs to OpenSea is a question many people have when they have created some NFTs. And of course, if you have hundreds of these NFT artworks, you don't want to upload them one by one because that could take days. So today I'm going to show you guys a really simple and easy method to bulk upload NFTs to OpenSea. And it's actually not as hard as many people think it is, because you need no programming knowledge or smart contracts or anything of that kind of stuff. So if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so let's get right into this. For the process of uploading these NFTs to OpenSea in bulk, we need some programs first, and I have searched out two different programs. One is for Mac and one is for Windows. So you don't need both, but you just choose the one that is compatible with your kind of system that you're running. So if you're on Mac, then you have to use this Merger macro recorder. And then on Windows, you are going to use Minnie Mouse macro. And in this video, I'm actually going to use macro recorder because I'm on Mac. So then just grab that. And I'm going to link both of these websites down below. And yeah, so you just click on here for download on the Mac and just download here on the Windows thingy. And yeah, when you go on this website that I linked in there, there might be something popping up, and then you just skip it away and then this website should pop up. Then you just download it, and you will have to do some simple steps to just put it together, and then the application should work pretty well. Okay guys, once you have completed that and downloaded it, it should look something like that. You have a zip file, you just open it, configure it, and then when we just open that, we will get a tab like this. So make sure that it looks like this, and then you are ready to go. Now we can just close that real quick because we have to do some other things first. Now what we want to do now is go to OpenSea and just log in to your profile, or just create a profile real quickly. That is obvious that if you want to upload something to OpenSea, you have to have a profile. Once you are logged into your OpenSea account, then we can you will see this, and then we can just go to My Collections, and we will create a new collection. So just click on Create a Collection, and then we have to choose a logo image, featured image, banner image, a name obviously, and I will just fill in these details real quick and then just show you what I did. Okay guys, as you can see, the collection has now a logo image up here. You just drag an image in there. Then I just called it retarded pics because I don't know, they just look retarded. Just come up with something you think is a good name. Then you can just make a link, then add a description, a category, just choose art. That is what we are doing here. Then you can choose some royalties. Blockchain, I would choose Polygon. And then we just click on create. And just like that, we have created the collection retarded pics. Now that is all set up. Now we have to open some Excel sheets because we want to make it automated. And for that, we need something we can copy things off. So just close this window for now. And then we will just take some Excel sheets. As you guys can see, I've already created these Excel sheets. You can just do it on Google Docs. I would recommend doing that. And here we just have to file name. That is not even important. We don't need that. We just need how we want to call it. So for this, I'm just going to call it retard pic 1, something like that, #1, then retard pic #2, and then we can just click shift, drag here, drag it down, and just drag it down. And if we want to create 20, we just drag it down to row 20 or 21, wherever you started, so that you have 20 different names. Now on the other Excel sheets, we want to fill in some information, and that is one time we need a description. So whatever you want to describe your collection as, you can just say happy positive pandas. Here I'm just gonna say 40 happy retarded pigs or something like that. Retarded pigs, all unique and waiting for you to take care, something like that. Club, something like that. Then we need a link we want to add. You can just choose anything, but I would recommend, if you have a website for this project, just take that link. Then we need the different perks, so the different parts our NFT consists of. And here I just set background, body, backpack, clothing, hair, mouth, you know, all these different things. And this can be for if you just have some t-shirts, some skin colors, some hats and some faces, but it might be more. So just write in the names of those, and yeah, it can be 10 or 2. And once you have done that, we are basically ready to go. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to put it on our desktop so that it looks perfectly like that, so that we can just see this, because we want to open multiple different tabs on our desktop now. So just open it one by one and make sure all of those tabs fit on here. This is how it looks now. As you guys can see, these tabs, they fit perfectly on my desktop, and I can, you know, see everything with the names. Down here I've got my files. Maybe just put that over here a little bit longer, like that. And then we have our different perks and our description here. And here opensea, of course. So what we want to do now is just open our recorder. As I said, on Mac, it's the one we downloaded here. It's the one that's called Merger Recorder. And on Windows, you just download the other one and open it now. And now we have that open. And here we want to choose some hotkeys first now in the app to kind of stop and start the recording, so that we don't have that in our list of the tracking. And now that we have everything set up, we can get right to work. So first of all, I just click on that add button. Now, if you have clicked on the add button in your NFT collection, we can get to work. You want to go to your recorder and click on start recording. Okay, or just press the hotkey. I recommend using the hotkey. So just put that down, use the hotkey. Recording started. And now our recording has started. So what we want to do first is just click on here. Don't touch the tabs anymore. You can't move them now. They have to stay the same, otherwise it won't work. Then we just drag over this first image here, just like that. Then we scroll down, go up here, go on this first one and say Command Copy or Control Copy. So Control C. Then we just copy that in here. Then we go on our other tab, copy our link, just whatever you have. Then we go on this tab again, copy our description, just like that. Scroll down, go to this plus sign on properties, and then add however many we need. That is enough for now, but just how many you have. Then we just go over here again, copy that, paste that in. save it. Just scroll down. Supply is 1. Just don't do anything with that. The blockchain is Polygon. Don't change that if it's already Polygon. And then just click on create. Now it's loading. And it's still recording, so don't touch anything. Now we just click on this and go back to the collection by clicking on the name and click on add item again. Now we are exactly where we were before, and now we want to do one thing, but now we want to do one last thing, and that is going over here and just clicking the down button so that we go one down, and then we want to click over here and scroll down so that the 2 is on our mouse like that. And then we are ready to stop the recording because it will do the same thing again. So just click on your hotkey again or just click on stop recording. And now the recording is stopped, so we can open this again. Now the recording is stopped and we are ready to play the recording, so then our computer will do it automatically. And here we can set it to 1 time, or if you're uploading 20 NFTs, then just do it to 20. If you're uploading 1,000 NFTs, put it to 1,000. But we will just check it by putting 1 here now and then clicking on play recording and closing this one. Now I messed it up. So we are just using our hotkey to start this and closing this really fast.
Playback started.
And as you guys can see, it is selecting the file. It may seem as if I do it right now, but I am not touching my mouth at all. It's this app that is doing it. And yeah, we will see how it is selecting these different things. And yeah, works fine for now. And we will just let it do its thing. If you do it exactly how I did it, it should work. Then you could just basically let it run when you're sleeping. And if you have 1,000 NFTs, they should be uploaded when you wake up again. And that is just great. We will just let it finish for now. And it's going to create it. Now, as you guys could see, it took a bit of time to select these different things. And for that, we can actually change something on the app here. As you guys can see, it is put to 100% here. But if you just put it to 10%, let's say down here, then it will go really fast. So just put in 10, then just close it and start your playback with your hotkey. And it should create these things in no time. As you guys can see, I am not touching anything. Okay guys, as you guys can see, it actually messed up here. That is because it was too fast. So don't put it to 10% maybe, but you can fast it up a little bit. So we will maybe just put it to, so we will maybe just put it to 50%, and that is already, or 30%, and that is already really, really fast. So just put it to 30%, put it down here, and just start the playback. And it will be fast enough to choose all of these different things and putting them in here. As you guys can see, it's just easily copying everything over, and it works fine. And now you guys can see that it's not me just doing anything, because I couldn't even do it as fast as the computer is doing it now. And that is the method how you could upload 1,000 NFTs in just sleeping and just bulk uploading them and letting your computer do the whole work. So yeah, that was it with this tutorial on how to bulk upload on OpenSea. And if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. That will really help me out. And as you guys can see, it was actually pretty easy, and I hope you learned it now. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can just always catch me in the comment section, and I will try to reply and explain everything. So yeah, with that said, this is the end of the video, and I will hopefully see you guys next time. Bye.